In this video, let's talk about the presentation of your estimates. So for example, here we have an estimate that consists of your company logo, an image of the house, some general information about the job, information about your company, like your phone number, your address, your email, and the customer contact information. And then we also have some text boxes that talk about preparation notes, maybe information about the paint used. We have the scope of the work itself and the cost of it. And some more information here at the bottom about the general terms of the contract. So all of the presentation that you see here in an estimate is fully customizable. But first, let's take a step back. So the way that you get to this view is if you go to your work tab and you click on an existing job, here you kind of have this job overview that has general information about quotes, work orders, invoices. And if you click on a quote and press view estimate, this is the view that your customer would see this if you share this quote with them, if you send them a link. Now, the first thing we want to do is customize your company information like your logo, your address, phone number, and this can be done by going into the settings and finding company info. So here you can see the fields for company name, phone number, and at the bottom, the logo. You can upload your logo here as well. Next, we have the contact information. So if we go back, we can edit this quote here by pressing edit quote. And this is the screen that you're familiar with probably already, which is the building of the estimate itself. So here we can change the photo. We can also change the contact. For example, I can edit the contact directly, or maybe I can deselect and select a different contact if I need to, or create a new contact entirely. Moving down on our estimate here, we can see that we have these text boxes. So these text boxes, they are all customizable. You can delete them, you can create your own, and you can even save them as templates. So for example, if you're having an exterior job template, you're not having to create all this text each time. You can quickly recall a template and just change some text if you need to. So from this screen, when we're viewing the estimate, in the top, we can press edit layout. And so from here, you can see like a drag and drop interface. We can add new blocks. Similarly, you can see the text blocks that you already have, and clicking on them here and saying edit will give you the option to edit this. In my screenshot here, you don't see the formatting options, but when you look at this on your phone, you'll see the different formatting options to add a link or make something bold or make something a heading. You'll also see that all these text blocks, you can just drag and drop them and change the order. And there are different types of blocks. For example, here we have a block that represents our estimate line items. So when we look at our quote, this section here that actually talks about the scope of the work, that can also be customized in the edit layout here. We can press here, edit, and you'll see various settings. For example, if you want to itemize each line item, if you want to combine them, if you want to round up the price, there's all kinds of different settings here that you are able to customize to your needs. As I've stated before, these are templatized as well. So you can create a configuration, for example, a common kitchen job. You might have specific preparation notes, specific way you want the estimate line items to be displayed. And you can create your layout and then just save it as a new template. And from this screen, you can recall the templates. For example, in this job right now, I have the exterior template selected, but I can switch to the interior. I hit save and all the blocks get reloaded. So if I save changes right now, my estimate will update to use the interior template. All of these templates are managed in the settings. So you can go to settings, templates, estimate layouts. And from here, you'll see a list of templates. We've included two common templates that we think are useful. You can edit these. You can see that there's two different themes that you can choose in terms of the style of the presentation. And as we showed in the previous screen, you can change all the blocks here and save the template. Similarly, you can create a new template here, save it, and use it as you see fit. In the settings, you can also select a template to be used by default. For example, if I create an interior job, by default, I would like a particular template to be used. So to do this, I just go to Settings, Estimate Defaults, and from here, I can select that every time I use an interior job type, I would like to use this template. And so you can make that selection, make that change, and hit save. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us. We are happy to give you a free demo and help you get your templates set up, help you set up the tool to make it optimal for winning jobs in your business. You can also access help and tutorial videos by going to Settings or the home screen and scrolling through the videos that are listed here.